Using the correct size pump flange can make all the difference when pumping. Ideally, you want only about 1/4 inch of your areola to be pulled into the flange tunnel, and we don't want any of your nipple rubbing up against the side. We also don't want to lose suction at where the flange connects to your breast, because sometimes that can cause milk to slide out of the bottom of the flange, which is such a bummer when you're working so hard to get out all that milk. Sometimes using a hands-free pumping bra can create a little bit of a better suction for the flange to your breast, and it also allows you to use your hands to do a little bit of hands-on massage while pumping, which can get some of that milk that's hard to get out that kind of pools in the periphery of our breast. An incorrect size of a pump flange can affect the pump suction and can also cause nipple pain and breast pain. So we definitely want to try to stay away from that as best as possible. And if you can't find the perfect pump flange, then you can always try a different size, a different style, or even a different pump.